Hey everyone, and welcome back. Want to use the GT method in Todoist without paying? Let me show you how with the free version. First, understand the free plan limits. 5 active projects, no custom filters, and labels are limited. But it's still enough for GTD. Step 1, use Inbox as your capture tool. Hit quick add and type everything in. Don't organize yet, just capture. Step 2, create your 5 projects. Use these next actions, projects, waiting for, someday maybe, and routines. Step 3, use labels for context. Create labels like at phone, at computer, at home, and at 5 minutes for quick tasks. Step 4, sort your next actions by priority. Add due dates only to time-sensitive tasks. Step 5, do a weekly review. Empty your inbox, review your projects, and update someday maybe items. Step 6, use the Today view as your daily dashboard. This shows everything due today for free, and that's it. With 5 projects, labels, and the Today view, you have a complete GT system in Todoist's free version. If you set up GTD in Todoist, let me know your favorite label in the comments. See you in the next one.